Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this super defined braid out on my natural hair. So first of all, I am starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I find that working on clean hair makes my style lasts longer and looks better. And just ignore the rubbish on my hair, it's just from my towel. So first things first, you want to start by sectioning your hair to make it easier for you to work on. Like if you watched my videos, I always section my hair before I do anything with it. It makes it really easy for me to work on my hair. And if you have a lot of hair, you find that sectioning your hair makes it really easy for you to manage your hair. So I'll just go ahead and section my hair into 4 and then work section by section. Okay, so now that I'm done sectioning, I'm just going to take a portion and then just divide it into 2, and I'll be working with one part. So the first thing that I'm applying to my hair is water, because my hair is almost dry at this point, so you just want to wet it or just moisturize it a little before you apply any product. And then I'll be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. Well, working with this product, you just need to apply a little amount because a little amount goes a long way. So I'll just apply this to my hair and detangle with my tangle tweezer. And if you've not used the tangle tweezer, I would recommend that you get it. Like, this is a very good comb or brush for detangling thick natural hair. And then what I'll be doing next is going with my curling cream. I'm using the coconut curling cream from Cantu's line. This product is amazing. I use it for my twist out, and I also use it as a moisturizer sometimes. So when I'm done, I'll just go in with coconut oil, just few drops of coconut oil, just sealing that moisture that I just applied to my hair. So I'm just going to apply a little coconut oil to my hair and then finally brush it again with my tangle tweezer, and then just go ahead and braid my hair. Okay, now because I am not making my braids really big, so if you notice, I just went ahead and divided that portion into 2. So I'll just have 2 braids with that section. So I really don't know how to explain the braiding process to you, but I'm just going to show you guys up close what it looks like braiding my hair. So what I would advise is, if you have thick hair like I do, you want to make your braids a little bit tight, not too tight, but don't make it loose, because when it's loose you don't get as much definition. So I advise you make it at least a little bit tight, just to make sure that when you take out your braids, like, it's very, very defined. And then when I get to the ends of my hair, that's the tip of my hair, I just like to apply a little bit a little more product to the end of my hair, and just twirl it around my fingers, just to make it more defined and just make it pretty. So I'm going to be doing a side part. I'm just going to go ahead and decide where my part is going to be and continue braiding my hair. So I'll just go over the process with you guys again. first things first, you want to get a manageable size of hair, and then apply water just to moisturize it a bit. And then apply your leave-in conditioner, massage it thoroughly into your hair, just to make sure that this product gets everywhere. And the next thing you're going to do, apply your curling cream. And then finally, just apply your oil. If you notice, whenever I apply my product, I apply it first at the end of my hair, because you know that's like the part of your hair that needs moisture more than any other part of your hair. And then just go ahead and braid. It's really simple. And when you get to the ends of your hair, you can just apply a little more product just to define the ends of your hair. Some people would go in with gel, but I'm not using gel for this style, so I just apply my coconut curling cream. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like when I'm done braiding my hair. You can see the braids, the size of the braids, like it's like medium sized, because I find that medium-sized braids gives you the best definition, except you're trying to go for a chunky braid look, and you know that's not the style I'm going for. So yeah, middle-sized braid works just fine. So I'm just going to allow my hair air dry, and the next day I would take out my braids. Okay, yeah, so this is the next day. This is what my hair looks like the next morning. I'm about to take out my braids now. So the first thing and the only thing I'm really going to apply on my hair is coconut oil. Just want to apply a little coconut oil before you take down your styles, just to give it that extra shine and to help with frizz. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little amount of coconut oil on my scalp, and basically just on my hair. And then I'll go ahead and start to take down my braids. For me, like, this is one very important step when you're trying to achieve like defined braid out. The way you take out your braids is very, very important. You want to make sure that you're as careful as possible, so that you don't ruin your braids, your coil definition, sorry. So you want to make sure that you take it out carefully. As you can see, I'm slowing down the video so that you can see how careful I am when taking down my braids. So you want to make sure that you're very careful when you're doing this, and don't rush it. Okay, so I have taken down this braid, and you can see how defined, like you can see how defined, like I'm just saying defined because like it's really defined. You can see the individual strands, portions of the braids, like it's really, really defined. So that's what you're trying to achieve, defined braids. Yeah, so this is pretty much what my hair looks like after taking down my braids. You can see like it's very defined, like there's no frizz, like it's very defined, and this is what you want your braids to look sorry, when you take it down. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate it for that extra volume. So to separate my twist, my braids, I'm used to twist, but separate my braids, I just, same thing I do with my twist, I just take one portion and just like divide it into 3 or 4. Now you want to do this as neatly as you can, because if you're rough when you're taking it down, you tend to create a lot of frizz, and you don't want frizzy styles. So yeah, I'm pretty much done separating my hair. This is what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is just to grab a comb. You can see like the size of the comb is really big, and just from the roots of your hair, you just want to just stretch it out a little, just to give it that extra volume. You don't want to do this too much, because if you do this too much, you end up with curl patterns that are not so defined. So I'm just going to do this all over my hair. You want to be careful when you're doing this. Just pull the root of your hair with the comb, and yeah, that's all. Then you just want to pick it and shake it and yeah, that's pretty much how I do my braid out. And then I'm just going to take the front portion of my hair and pin it forward. Like I like to do this with all my styles, just to give it that look. It just makes it look really good. As you can see, it looks really good. So yeah, if you're not satisfied with the volume of your hair, you can still go in with your comb and just pick it, with your hands, just to make it look, just give you volume basically. So yeah, it's very easy, very easy. Just pick and fluff till you find the right size and shape. Basically, you just want to do this. So this is pretty much how I do my braid out. It's really simple, and as you can see, like it's really defined. It's not so much work. Yeah, so you should try this and let me know how it goes. I would leave my Instagram link in the description box, so you can follow me on Instagram too. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, follow me on the Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.